Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to connect Notion to Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to automatically sync your Notion databases to a Google spreadsheet, making your data more flexible and much easier to use, whether that's for reporting, backup, or sharing with teammates. Let's dive right in and get you connected. First things first, let's start on Notion. Go ahead and open up Notion in your browser, or launch the desktop app if that's what you prefer. Make sure you're logged into the account that you want to integrate with Google Sheets. Think about which database or table in Notion you actually want to sync. That way, the integration will be crystal clear and useful once it's set up. Now, the direct connection between Notion and Google Sheets isn't baked into either app, but don't worry. This is where automation tools come in. For this tutorial, we'll use Zapier, which is a powerful service that can zap data between thousands of apps, including Notion and Google Sheets. So head over to zapier.com in your browser. If you don't already have a Zapier account, take a couple minutes to sign up. It's free to get started, and it'll really open up what you can do between all sorts of services, not just these two. Once you're logged into Zapier, look for the Create button, usually found at the top left of the dashboard, and give that a click. You'll see an option labeled Zaps. Select this to start building your automated connection, or Zap, as Zapier likes to call them. Next, in the search bar that appears, type Notion to Google Sheets. This tells Zapier exactly what kind of automation you want. Whenever something happens in Notion, like adding a new entry to a database, it should automatically update a Google Sheet for you. Go ahead and press Enter once you've typed it in. Now, to continue the process, here's where we link up the actual accounts. Zapier will prompt you to log into both your Notion and your Google account. Don't worry, this is standard practice, and Zapier is trusted by millions for managing these secure connections. When prompted, just follow the on-screen instructions to log in and grant the necessary permissions. Sometimes this takes a few extra clicks as you give Zapier access to specific pages or databases in Notion, or to the correct Google Drive folder for the spreadsheet, but it's all straightforward. Think of it like introducing two friends for the first time. You have to make the introductions before they can talk to each other. Once you've connected both accounts, Zapier will guide you through picking which specific Notion database you want to watch for updates, and which Google Sheet you want to send data to. If your database or sheet isn't showing up right away, try refreshing the choices or double-checking that they're in the correct accounts. This part might take a few moments as Zapier loads the available options, but once you've matched everything up, you're set. You can add some custom settings if you like, for example, picking which columns to sync, but for most people, the defaults will work just fine. And that's it. The automation is ready to go. Anytime your chosen Notion database changes, it'll automatically update your Google Sheet. Whether you're tracking projects, managing a team, or simply want a backup of your Notion data, this setup can save you hours every week. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and feel free to leave a comment below if you run into any issues or have questions about other automations. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.